Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anurag Sharma, currently a pre-final CSS student from NIT Silchar. Today we are going to solve problem of the day of lead code, that is 2657 code question number, and find the prefix common array of two arrays. Let us understand what this question what this question says. Okay, so we are given a two array which will have the same number of elements, and in this same element of number in this same elements they can be rearranged in a different manner. It means that we are given a two array with fixed number of elements, but the catch is that in these two arrays the numbers can be shuffled. It means they can be a permutation. So we have to find the prefix common array for both the questions. Okay, so first of all let us take some example. Let us try run some examples. So let me take this. Okay. Yeah. So we are given with this. Hmm. So we are given an array with 1, 3, 2, and 4, and B with 3, 1, 2, and 4. So what this, let us write on this example. It means that our array has 1, 3, 2, and 4, and our B is 3, 1, 2, and 4. So when we are iterating the both the arrays, so we have at I equal to 0, no number is common. Like in A 0 it is 1, and in B 0 it is 3. So obviously 1 is not equal to 3, they are not common. So we are creating our final array in which we are going to, since there are no elements are common, so we will put 0 into the our answer vector. So when I'm at first position in both the indexes, so now we have to check from the starting to end how many elements are common. So in this 1 and 3 and 3 and 1, so both the elements are common. So the answer should be 2. When I am at the third index, or I would say in a zero based indexing, if I am at the second index, so I have to check from starting to end whether how many elements are common in them. So when I am going to check whether how many elements are common in both of them, so 1 3 and 2 and 3 1 and 2, all the threes are common in both of them, so our answer will be 3. And when I am at the when I am at the third index, I will have to check from starting to end how many elements are common in both of them. So as you can see that 1 2 3 and 4, and 1 2 and 3 and 4, both all these elements are common in both of them. So the output will be 0 2 and 3 and 4. So this is a basic question, and the constant of this question is very low. Like the constant is when the maximum size of the array can be 50. So we can easily write a big of n square solution. How can we write this big of n square solution? Let me talk about this. Like what is the approach of solving this problem in big of n square and big of n space complexity? So what will we do? We will create a set, and when I'm into the when we are iterating both the arrays, when I'm at the first array, I will put into the array. So it will be one in our let us name it set A and set B. So when I am just entering this set into, I am putting the vector this vector into the array. So when I'm at the zeroth index, I am entering set A with 1 and B with 3. Then then I will check every element of A or every element of B. We can choose either of one of them because we have to find the common. So the common elements will be uh, possible in both the elements. So we can iterate any one of the set. Then we can find, like I am going to iterate A, and I will check whether this element is present in B or not. So when I am going to check this one element is present in B or not. So if it is not present, then the count index will be 0 only. So okay, so let's move on to the next iteration. When I equal to 1, so it will check our 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 element. So I will I will insert 3 into the set A, and 1 into the set B. Then I will iterate through A. Whether 1 is present in set B, yes it is present, so C will be 1. Whether 3 is present in B, yes it is present, then our C will be 2. So we will get our desired answer, that is 2. Okay. So when our iteration will be instead of 0 1 and 2, when we are at the second index, like when we are going to enter our second, number element of 2. So I will put 2 in this set A, 2 in set B. Then I will iterate through both, through the element, like either one is present, yes, one is present, two is present, two is present, three is present, three is present. So our count value will be 3. So it will be 3. So this approach will take us big of n square approach, big of n square time complexity, and the space complexity will be big of n because we are using two unordered set. So let me show you code of this problem, of this approach. So okay, as you can see that first of all I have initiated a set of A and set of B and a vector of answer. Then what I'm doing that I'm just calling a function I have, which will return us the count value. What will this function will do? This function will insert the element into the set of A and insert the element of set of B into the set of B. Then we will iterate the element of set in A, then and check whether this element is present in set of B or not. If this element is present in the set of B, then we will increase the count of number of 1, and then we will return the count of number of 1. So this question will be solved. Just a second. Mm, wait a second. So okay. So let us run this again. Mm, So yes, it is being accepted, and let us submit the problem. Yes, obviously it will be accepted because the constants are too low. Because as you can see, these constants are almost 50. 50, it's a very low constant, so you can easily sum the big of n square. So, but the best and the optimal way to solve this problem is by using the time complexity. Hmm. So the best way to solve this problem is by using a space time complexity of big of n and space of big of n. So how we can do is, we first of all, let us write let us write the test case that is 1 2 3 and 4, and the other test case that is 3 1 2 and 4. Okay, so I am here 1 and I am here 3. So first of all I will check if, let us take this set. First, I will check whether my stack is empty or not. If my stack is empty and 1 and 3, like the first two elements, are not same, so I have to enter them. So I will enter them 1 and 3. Then I will iterate to the next element, 2 and 1. So I will iterate to the next element, 2 and 1. Then I will check whether 2 is present in this set or not. If it is not present in the set, then I will be inserting this element. And uh, if this element is present in this set, like you can check that b of 1, that is 1, is present in this set. So the count value will be 1. And in our final array, first element of will be 0 because the stack was empty, and we have to, and the elements were not same, so we cannot write 1 because the elements are not same, and they are not present in the stack, so we will be entering 0. And in this iteration you can see that we have count equal to 1, so I will enter it 1. Let us check to the next element of the both the arrays. So the next element of the array is 3 and the next element of the array is 2. I will check that whether element of A is present in this set or not. Yes, it is present. So I will increase the counter. Okay, so we don't have to because we don't have to reset the count value, because it's we have to find the longest prefix sum array. So the count value should be, because if those elements are common in this part, it will obviously be common in this part too. So so the initial was count was 1. Then I will increase it to count of 2, and I will check whether 2 is present or not. Yes, 2 is present, then the count will be 3. So the final answer will be 3. Then I will check the fourth element, whether this fourth element is present in the element or not. Yes, if both the elements are same, then I have to increase the count value. So the count value will be 4. So let us see that how the code will so how will we write the code. Mhm. You can see in this code. Okay, so I have first of all initiate a set vector and our answer vector, set and then our answer. I am just initiating with count equal to 0. If our set if our set is empty and if the both the elements are same, so I have to increase the count value and also insert into the our set. But if both are not same, like in this case you can see that first two elements were not same, so I have to enter into the stack, so I will enter them into the stack. This was the this will run only for once, because for only one time our stack can be empty, because we are not going to pop out it and it any time of execution, so it will be only run at once. Then on the next item, on the next step, we can check that if a of 1 is present in the set, then we are going to increase the count value, otherwise I'm going to insert into the set of b. And if it is not present, count of plus plus 1, else if set of a is present, if it is present in the set, then I'm going to same as we are doing in the a, then I'm just going to insert the counter value. Let us submit this problem. Okay, this will be what happened. Hmm, yeah, it is being accepted, so thank you.